Hello students, welcome back. Today in this session we will again talk about uh, the modes and also plant kingdom we are talking now. So in that plant kingdom only some other questions which have been asked in the previous year's questions we will talk about them. Okay students. Now let's talk about the 16th question, and previously 15 questions we have been discussed. Okay, if you have any problem you can go through our channel, then you can go through that. Okay, now select the wrong statement they are asking. So what is the wrong statement here? It is very important for everybody to understand and also to point out that what is the wrong statement here, because generally most of the students will not be knowing only, because they will be thinking that whether they have asked correct or wrong statement, but in that we need to find out wrong statement. So the first question, the first option is, in oomycetes female gamete is smaller and motile, and while male gamete is larger and motile, they are asking. No, it is actually wrong statement. Why it is a wrong statement? Because in oomycetes, oogamy or some other, what happens, female is little bit larger and non-motile, and male is smaller in size and also motile it may be. But thing you need to understand here students, this question, this is the right answer for this, which have been asked in the NEET 2013. But at the same time you need to understand that same type of question, only one more type also they will be asking. How it will be, in rhodophyceae members oogamy undergoes, then what about that oomycetes members? Means in that female will be larger and male will be smaller and should be motile, no? Then where is the motility? Because rhodophyceae members do not have the motile, no? They are not motile members. So in that you should answer the question that they are, due to the course of evolution, they lose the motility. So like that, so the answer should be, so for this 16th question, perfect answer is A. Next, 17th, isogamous condition means same type of a condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in. So non-flagellated means same, only same structure but no flagella. So that gametes are found in which of the following? Volvox and fucus, chlamydomonas or Spirogyra. So mainly isogamous condition, non-flagellated. No, this is D option is correct answer, because Spirogyra is like this ribbon shaped structure and also having the nucleus like this, and also it is a fragmented nature also, but here flagella will be absent. So they are asking iso, same gametes only, but flagella is absent. So volvox they have in the flagella, fucus, chlamydomonas, all of them will have the flagella. So here isogametes can be seen in the Spirogyra members only, which comes under the green algae. So NEET 2013 they have been asked question. Next, 18th question. Monoecious. Monoecious means in the same plant only male and also female gametes will be present. So monoecious plant of Chara shows occurrence of. So this is very important in your textbook also, it is present like this. Okay, upper what is present and also down what is present here. So 18th question, upper antheridium and also lower oogonium on the same plant. No. So upper oogonium and also lower antheridium on the same plant. The 18th question perfect answer is B. So upper oogonium, that is female, and lower antheridium, that is male, on the same plant. NEET 2013 this question has been asked. Next, 19th one, which one of the following is wrongly matched? So that means they are asking the wrong statement, they are asking. So what is that? Spirogyra, motile gamete. Just now we have solved Karnataka NEET 2013 only, this question has been asked repeatedly. See, they have asked non-flagellated also. Now the question, that is wrong statement is that, but motile gametes they are asking. No, Spirogyra is not a motile. So Spirogyra is a non-motile gametes. Right students? Right. Next, 20th question. Algae have cells made up of, which kind of a cells they are made up of? Either cellulose, galactans and also mannans, hemicellulose and also pectins, proteins, and also this protein cellulose, hemicellulose and pectins. The perfect answer for this is A. So that is they are made up of cellulose, galactans and mannans. So 2010 they have been asked. Next, 21. Mannitol is the stored food in. So where is the mannitol? Mannitol who is having this? Porifera, fucus, gracilaria, chara. This is the perfect answer is B. Fucus. Fucus is the one which is having the mannitol as a stored food product. Next, 22. If you are asked to classify the various algae into distinct groups, which one of the following characters you should choose? So they are asking to classify the algae. Suppose they have given certain characteristics of an algae and they are asking you to find out which characters you will choose. Generally, what are the characteristics of an algae? So generally we consider that type of the pigments, either green algae, red algae, brown algae, or whether the cellulose is made up, or what kind of a food material it is there, or what is the nature of that, we will be considering it. So nature of the stored material in the cell, or structural organization of the thallus, or chemical composition of the cell wall, or type of pigments present in the cell. So generally by seeing the color, if it is a green color, you can classify them as a green algae. If it is brown algae, red algae. Generally most important thing is that option D is the appropriate answer, where the pigment is very important for classifying them. Next, 23rd, sexual reproduction in Spirogyra is an advanced feature because it shows. Sexual reproduction in Spirogyra is an advanced feature because what is the nature it is showing? So different sizes of motile sex organs? No, it is motility only not present. Same size of motile sex organs? No, because motility is of morphological different sex organs? No. So they are morphologically also same. So then what is the nature? Physiologically differentiated sex organs is the best advanced character for the classifying the Spirogyra. So physiological means based on their function and also based on the structure and also based on the nature, we can classify them. Spirogyra generally having this kind of a nature, right? Green algae. Next, 24th, a student observed an algae with chlorophyll A and B and also phycoerythrin. It should belong to. So which of the classifications? It is generally they are asking that chlorophyll A and B and also phycoerythrin also present. No. So erythrin generally it is showing the red color. Phycocyanin, if it is there, then it is a blue greener, right? So phycoerythrin they are showing, and also at the same time chlorophyll A and also B they are showing. So that means it is Rhodophyta members also can be considered. Next, A and D also will be present, students. Right, and 25th, Eulothrix can be described as. Eulothrix, they are asking how does it can be described as. So what is the nature of that? Filamentous algae lacking flagellated reproductive stages? No. Membranous algae producing juice pores? No. Filamentous algae with flagellated reproductive stages? No. Yes, that is filamentous algae with flagellated reproductive stages also. We can see answer is the correct answer for 25th. Next, 26th, an algae very rich in protein is. So generally it is very rich. So it is also considered as a single cell protein, that is SCP also. Single cell proteins where these can be used by the travelers also, like how they are space travelers especially, they carry the food as a protein, this algae only, and they generally will have. Chlorella is considered as a green algae which is having the single cellular proteins. Single cell protein also very high rich in proteins compared to Nostoc, Spirogyra and Eulothrix. And at the same time spirulina also one of the single cell protein also. Next, 27. Eulothrix filaments produce. So this is commonly asked question. They produce isogametes. Same kind of a gametes will be produced by them. Next, 28. Brown algae is characterized by the presence of. So how does brown algae is characterized by the presence of fucoxanthin? So fucoxanthin is the one which is making them to come as a brown color. So the main basically brown algae is characterized by the presence of fucoxanthin. Next, 29. The pyrenites are made up of. So the pyrenites where they are present and how they are made up of. This is very important, students. Most of the time they have been asked. Proteinaceous center and also starchy sheath. This is the perfect answer. They are proteinaceous in nature and also starchy sheath which are surrounding that nature, right? Next, 30. In chlorophysi members, okay, the mode of sexual reproduction is. So how does chlorophysi? Chlorophysi generally is nothing but it is green algae. So their basic nature is commonly isogamy, anisogamy and also oogamy. That means all of this. Next, 39. Pyrenites are the centers for the formation of. How does they are differing and what is the center? So they are mainly storage of the starch, for the formation of starch. Next, 32. Chloroplast of Chlamydomonas is either stellate, cup shaped, collar shaped or spiral shaped. It is generally cup shaped. So chlamydomonas generally it is like this, where you can consider juice spore formation also, and here it look like a cup shaped structure also like this. So that is why the chloroplast of chlamydomonas is like a cup shaped nature also we can consider. Right, 32 is second answer. Next 33. In Ulothrix and Spirogyra, reduction division, that is meiosis, occurs at the time of. So how does this meiosis takes place? Either gamete formation, zoospore formation, or zygospore formation. Zygospore formation. So this is zygote. How does they are forming? No. So during this meiosis takes place. That is. Next 34. A common mode of sexual reproduction in chlamydomonas is generally, how does this differing is isogamous only, because they are having the flagellated and also they are having the same kind of a nature. Isogamy only they differ actually. Generally in juice spore formation mitosis generally takes place inside that. Next 35th. The product of conjugation is Spirogyra or fertilization of chlamydomonas is. So how does it is taking place? It is due to the zygospore formation only. Either fertilization in chlamydomonas or conjugation Spirogyra mainly takes place in the zygospore formation. Next 36. Sexual reproduction involving fusion of two cells in chlamydomonas is. So it is involving isogamy, homogamy, somatogamy or hologamy. It is hologamy also we can say, because main nature of them is same, right? Next. So that's all about the 36 questions, students. I hope you understood. Okay, and next class we will continue the remaining questions. So these are all the important questions which have been asked in the previous year NEET based on the topic algae and also systems of classification. Thank you for watching, students. Please subscribe to my channel.